Hi and welcome to my channel, Yours Mentor. Mastering English tenses is key to speaking and writing correctly. You can improve your tense skills in just 10 minutes a day with consistent practice. Step 1. Focus on one tense at a time. Start with the present simple tense. Learn the rules, structure, and common examples. Practice for 10 minutes daily before moving to the next tense. Step 2. Use short daily exercises. Write 3 to 5 sentences using the tense you're learning. For example, I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Keep it simple and clear. Step 3. Read examples in context. Read short paragraphs or dialogue showing the tense in action. Highlight the verbs and see how the tense is used naturally. Step 4. Practice speaking aloud. Say your sentences out loud. Repeat them several times. This trains your brain and mouth to use the tense correctly. Step 5. Review and move on. At the end of the week, review all tenses learned so far. Then start learning the next tense, past simple, future simple, present continuous, etc. Step 6. Combine tenses in daily practice. Once you know several tenses, practice combining them. For example, I eat breakfast every day, but yesterday I ate pancakes. Step 7. Use free tools. Websites like EnglishGrammar.org and Perfect English Grammar offer exercises for each tense. Use them to reinforce what you learn. Step 8. Stay consistent. Spend 10 minutes every day practicing tenses. Consistency is more effective than long, irregular study sessions. Conclusion. By dedicating just 10 minutes a day to focused tense practice, you can master English tenses over time and improve your speaking and writing skills. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.